So in tracks, it asks you if you have the license during the stop. It asks you if the photo license is shown. You click yes. We mount our with the old style mount on the side because it's out of the way. The newer magnetic mounts in some consoles would work better because it keeps it closer to you. And anybody who's used these old mounts with the plastic knows that they can break off. So sometimes you'll see the scanners in a cup holder, or sometimes they fall on the seat, and it's not a good idea to have to go looking for it while you're on a traffic stop because you want to maintain eye contact with the driver of the vehicle. So with these scanners, it's so much easier to just scan it and get your information into the computer while keeping visual contact with the driver for officer safety. And having that closer to you and not able to move, those magnets are really strong. It makes me feel better, at least.